even linoleum. Watch. The rug on this hardwood floor slips and slides all over. But with Ruggies, that rug sits tight. Rugs on tiles slide and bunch. But with Ruggies, they stay right where they belong.
No laughing. You were just laughing 2 seconds ago. You were just laughing 2 seconds ago. Don't give me those hands.
Grip without glue and won't ever scratch, scuff, or damage your floor. Custom fit non-slip bats cost a fortune and are designed to fit.
Where's that laugher?
But Ruggies are easily interchangeable, so you can move them and reuse them again and again on any size rug. Curling corners ruin rugs. They're a hassle to vacuum and easy to trip on. Ruggies hunt corners down tight to the floor, so you can vacuum and walk right over them without tripping. Ruggies won't ever lose their tacky grip, and they're clean up to be used over and over again. This rug
Where's that
will never
laugher
grip
at?
on a slick sheet of glass.
What do we gotta do to make you laugh? What do we gotta do to make you laugh? What do we gotta do to make you laugh?
He was going there for a while.
Give me those hands. You give me those hands.
For a limited time, this set of 8 Ruggies, enough for 2 full-size rugs, is yours for just $10. But wait, order now and we'll double the offer. And send a second 8-piece set of Ruggies free. Just pay separate processing and handling. Here's how to order.
To order Ruggies for $10 plus processing and
Not
handling,
gonna
call
do it.
1-800-849-1491 or order online at buyruggies.com.
Not gonna do it.
We really wanted to take a relaxing trip to Florida.
Hi, Grammy. I'm not gonna laugh for you. Sorry.
The
Sorry.
reunion is coming up in Seattle.
Everyone's going. Then we heard about Hotwire and realized we could actually afford to take both trips.
See, when really nice hotels have unsold rooms, they use Hotwire.
Now what?
That's all I got.
4-star hotels for half price.
I should have been voted most likely to travel.